Hi, I'm Kevin from Machine Shop Rescue. This is episode 5. I've been sick for a while, and that's what the lapses from making another video, but no actions occurred on the Osterline milling machine, but I did get a new toy off Craigslist. Of course, picking it up, I got a $169 speeding ticket. So this is probably the most expensive small drill press known to man. This is an Excelsior, a mini drill press. Don't know anything about it. It was on Craigslist, and I picked it up. And it appears that somebody restored it. And I wouldn't say it's pretty nice looking, and they did a nice job. But there's some I don't think the original. If you look at the pulley on the back here, I don't think that's original. Also, there's a spring here, a return spring for the which I think we're going to probably have to do something with. I hate the red color that's on here. It came with a little vise, which the height of this machine, 25 plus 2, so 27, and that's up to this tip here, so it's pretty small. I would say this whole thing from here to the bottom's probably 24 inches, about 2 feet. I loosen these up. I haven't taken the vise off, but let's figure I'd wait until I do this video. Guess I didn't loosen them up enough. Come on. Here's another one. So I think the chuck is relatively new. I don't think that's the original chuck, but it's a nice chuck. Got the key with it. Let's take a look at this underneath here. I haven't seen underneath here, so I figured I'll just hold off until I do this video. And come on. What I'll probably do is, being that the milling machine is is going in the garage. It's 40 degrees now in northern Illinois, and within a couple of weeks it'll probably be like 0. So I figure I'll work on some small projects that I'll present over the winter. And this may be one of them, just kind of cleaning it up. And I mean, it's pretty clean, you can see that, but maybe sorting something out with this return spring and these pulleys on the back right here. These things, they're actually on backwards. I think whoever did this didn't realize that, so they put those wooden discs to keep the belt from falling off. Got a brand new belt that came with it. Also, there's some pulleys and whatnot that came with it as well. Let's take this vise off. Wow, it's clean. And let's see. I think I loosened it. Yeah, I got it. loosen this. Now this has got some adjustment on it. You see this will move up and down inside this hole, and you lock it with this nut. But I'm going to take this part off and paint it gray. Turn it around a little bit here so you can see it's an Excelsior. If anybody knows anything about this, I can't find anything on the internet about a small 24-inch machine. There are some Excelsior machines that are like 21-inch with big drivetrains and power feed, a camelback type drill press. But, you know, there's the pulley. I don't think that's correct. So I think there's supposed to be like a single pulley, and then this portion adjusts up and down to accommodate for it. But that's something that I'll have to come up with as a way to drive it. Like I said, it came with over here a jack shaft, which it's pretty nice. Get some nice bearings. It's two brand new pulleys on it. One's about 7-8 inches, about 7 inches in diameter. The other one's probably 2. But pretty happy with this machine. I mean, it was on internet for about, it was on Craigslist for 2 days. Oh, and yesterday was Thanksgiving, so no, I'm sure I was the first call he got. And I feel pretty happy to have this machine. Like I said, we're going to restore it. Now on the Oster line, if you recall, last time I worked on that machine, the chain wouldn't come off. And about 2 minutes after I quit recording, I just kind of played around with it, and the one plate off the chain came off, and I got the chain came right off. Hopefully the next episode next weekend, we'll have some more on that milling machine, getting the power feed off it, but the transmission off of it, and you know, take it from there. But the transmission and the bracket that holds it, and then the table, and then get that inside the. It's still outside. It's freezing out there. It's about 25 at night and about 40 during the day. So it's kind of hard getting out there. Sorry for the short episode, but if you want to get in contact me, it's Kevin. Email is krachuk2001@yahoo.com. And I really like to find out some information on this machine. It's so cool, and like I said, I'm lucky to have it. And I'm going to get rid of this red paint on here. I don't like it. I like the gray. The gray I may sand down and just put the one more coat of paint on that and then polish up the feed handle, get rid of the red on that, and just kind of get it to regular steel color, and I think we'll be good. Got to find a motor for it as well. And until next week, this is Kevin for Machine Shop Rescue. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to contact me. And also subscribe and get the bell, ring when you, which nothing ever rings when I, so I'm sure it's not going to ring, but at least subscribe and hit the bell, and hopefully something will happen for you. Kevin at Machine Shop Rescue. Email is krachuk2001@yahoo.com. And like I said, if you know anything about this machine, get in touch with me. I'd really be interested in it. Thanks a lot.